Hey friends, if you wish to fix software protection platform support Sppsvc exe causing high CPU usage on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now this is for software protection. So the main solution is to search for services in the Windows search bar. Go to services, okay, and then scroll down to software protection. Now this list is in alphabetical order, so it will be easy to find. Right click on it and stop it if it's possible, but we usually don't have that choice. So we will search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.